Hello everybody, how are you? Do you remember our unit, this unit? We are speaking about matter, yes. And do you remember what is the matter is? Huh? What is matter? Okay. Matter is anything that can take up space. Yes. And matter also, we said that matter has mass and volume, and we took that how can we measure mass and how can we measure volume and even how can we measure the temperature of the matter. Now we are going to speak about something else which is three states of matter, and it is not a new lesson. We took it before in water, if you remember. We take that water has how many states? Three. You remember them? Huh? Yes. Solid, liquid, and gases. The same as the matter. All the matter has the same states. Solid. Some of matters are solid. Some of them are liquids. And some of them, of course, are gases. So let's compare between three of them and see. What about solid? Huh? Solid have a definite shape. Look at your mobile, it's a solid thing. Right? Can you change its shape? It's very hard to change it. You need to break it to change it, by the way. And your laptop, it is also solid. And your sofa, your TV, your laptop, every solid thing around you. They have a definite shape? Yes. And of course, it takes the same space every time you put it. If you put it on the table, if you put your mobile on the table, it will have the same volume. It takes the same space. If you put it in your bag, it will have the same. It takes the same space. Yes, it takes the same space, and every time you put the thing in. Look at this. If I put this pencil in your pencil case, it will take the same space. If you put it in the bag, it will take the same space. And of course, this bus have the same shape, definite shape, wherever you put it in. The same as the apple, the same as the chair, same as the desk. They have the solid things have definite shape and definite volume. So the first thing, solids have definite shape and definite volume. Yes. You can think of any other examples. Like what? Your car, your laptop, your mobile, as we said, whatever. Same shape, definite volume. The particles of the solid, or the pieces inside the solid, look at that, it is very tightly packed together, and they can't move from a place to another space. If you put the mobile in a space, can it move alone, or you have to move it? Yes, you have to move it. It can't move from place to another place. Okay. What about the liquid? Yes. Does it have a definite shape? Do you think it has a definite shape? No, of course. I can put the same cup of water. I can put it in the pot. I can put it again in the bottle of cup of water. It doesn't have a definite shape. It takes the shape of the thing that you put it in. Okay, what about the volume? Does it have a definite volume? Yes, of course. The cup of water will still the same cup of water, even if you put it in another big pot or smaller. Yes. Look at this. This water, I can change its shape. If I put it here, it will take this shape. But for the volume, it will stay the same. It will take the same space, the same volume. Yes, you can think about other examples. Yes, we have millions of examples about liquids. Okay, the particle of liquids, what do you think? Yes, it is a little bit close together, but not that close. Okay, and it could be little movement. By the way, if you split the water on the floor, you can see that it is moving from its place. Yes, if you throw or split some water on the floor, you can notice that it go from a place to another place floating. Yes. Gases. For gases, there is no definite shape, no definite volume, of course. Yes, the air inside the balloon, the smoke that is going from the volcano, the smoke that is going from the train, all of these doesn't have definite shape or definite volume. Can you think about something else? Think? Yes. For the particle of gases, it is a little bit far, it is not close. That's why it doesn't have a definite volume or a definite shape. They can go and spread all over the way. Okay. Now look at this activity. We have here a jug of juice, and we have the word definite shape and volume. This particle that is very close together, and this is one that's very far. This is a pencil, not definite shape. And the question is, review game, name that stage of matter. I will take everything and put here. What about the jug? I will put it in which part? Huh, what do you think? Yes, it is a liquid thing, thank you. What about definite shape and volume? Which one has definite shape and volume? Think about it. Yes, it is solid. Solid have definite shape and volume. Yes, this particles, of course, is very near together and nothing can move away. It is the same shape or definite shape and volume also. What about this one? Number 4. They are very far. Which one of these, solid or liquid or gas, has this particle shape of particle? Very, huh? It is gas, yes. Pencil. Yeah, pencil is solid, liquid or gas. Of course, it's very easy. Solid. What about doesn't have definite shape, but it has shaped, no definite shape, definite and volume. But it has a definite volume. No definite shape, but it has a definite volume. We think it is liquid. So, which one doesn't have no definite shape or volume even? Gas. Yes, correct. What is this particles for? These particles are for, huh? Liquid. And balloon, it is full of gas. Yes. I think that you understand it because we took it before and think that everything will be good now with you. Now I want you to open your book. Yes, please. Page 366. Yes, 366. Hold your pencil and be with me. Okay. What is the state? The state, or what are the 3 states of matter? So let's read and see what it is. What a party! You can eat a piece of solid cake, drink cold liquid, or play with a gas-filled balloon. Okay, as you read these 2 pages, draw a circle around the name of 3 states of matter. So I will circle the 3 states of matter that are being compared, and we will compare between them. There are 3 common states of matter. Yes, there are solid, circle with me, solid, write 1, liquid, and write 2, gas, right? 3. And water can be found in all 3 states. Yes, we talked that before, really. And we know how the temperature, the temperature could change the state of the water. If it is cold, it will be ice. If it is hot, it will be water. If it is very hot, it will be turned to gas. So a solid is a matter that takes up a definite amount. He already highlight solid for you. Underline with me. Definite amount of space. So a solid has definite amount of space and definite shape. Underlined also for me. So definite amount of space and definite shape. Underline these for me. Solid has definite amount of space, definite shape. Thank you. Then for example, your science book is a solid. Yes, ice is also solid. Yes, before it melts will be solid. A liquid is matter that also takes up a definite amount of space. So a liquid, definite amount of space, but doesn't, underline with me also, doesn't have definite shape. Why does it have a definite shape? Because liquids takes the shape of their containers. Yeah, if you put it in the bottle, it will take the shape of the bottle. If you take it in a cup, it will take the shape of the cup. If you put it in a sink, it will take the shape of the sink, like we talked before. Even you took it in the mass today. Yes, yesterday, sorry. Okay. Drinking water is a liquid. Yes, we know that, of course. Water is a liquid, we know that from the cage. Okay. A gas. A gas is a matter that doesn't take definite amount of space and doesn't have definite amount of shape. It doesn't have definite amount of space, or it doesn't have the same volume, or it doesn't have the same shape. It doesn't have definite shape or definite space. The air around you, the gas. Imagine. It's very surprised for me. Okay, let's say that this activity is telling you to write. Okay, he's telling you write S if it is solid, L if it is liquid, and G if it is gas. Okay, curtains. It's solid, so it is S. Weapon, of course, solid. S. Ice cube, we still solid, also S. So S S S. Turn the page. Oh, air in the balloon. Here it is. Gas. Excellent. The bubble is gas. He is not pointing to the water, he's pointing to the bubble inside the water, so it is gas. So G. The plastic is solid. Okay, hope that you enjoyed the video and understand it. It is very easy. We have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has definite amount of space, definite shape. Liquid has definite amount of place, but it doesn't have definite shape. Gas doesn't have definite amount of space, and even doesn't have definite shape. See you. Goodbye.